Welcome to our Right Path EDUCARE channel, World of GK and your guide to success.
Dear friends, today we honor two pillars of wisdom, our beloved teachers and cherished grandparents. They guide us, inspire us, and fill our lives with knowledge and love. To celebrate their incredible impact, we've crafted a fun and thoughtful quiz just for you. Test your memory, learn something new, and share the joy with your family and mentors. Ready to dive in? Let's begin this special journey of wisdom and wonder quiz. Question number 1. On which date is Teachers' Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is September 5th. It is celebrated in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday, a great teacher and India's second president. Question number 2.
Why is Teachers' Day celebrated?
Correct answer is to appreciate the role of teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor educators for their dedication and the vital role they play in shaping minds and futures. It's a way to express gratitude for their guidance and inspiration. Question number 3. Which award is given by the Government of India on Teachers' Day? Correct answer is National Teacher Award, given to outstanding teachers by the Government of India every year. Question number 4. Which organization conducts special programs on Teachers' Day? Correct answer is Ministry of Human Resource Development. This ministry organizes educational events, including Teachers' Day programs. Question number 5. When was the Right to Education Act implemented in India? Correct answer is 2009. The Right to Education Act was passed to make schooling free and compulsory for children aged 6 to 14. Question number 6. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on the birthday of which great scholar? Correct answer is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan,
A respected philosopher and teacher whose birthday became Teachers' Day.
Question number 7. Who was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is second President of India. He served as India's second president from 1962 to 1967. Question number 8. Which organization declared World Teachers' Day on October 5th? Correct answer is UNESCO, declared October 5th as World Teachers' Day to honor educators globally. Question number 9. When was Teachers' Day first celebrated in India? Correct answer is 1962. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated when Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan became president. Question number 10. In which state was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan born? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu, DAW. Radhakrishnan was born in Tiruttani, now in Tamil Nadu. Question number 11. Which ministry presents the National Teacher Award on Teachers' Day? Correct answer is Ministry of Education. This ministry presents the National Teacher Awards. Question number 12. What is the meaning of the word teacher in Sanskrit? Correct answer is one who imparts knowledge. In Sanskrit, a teacher is someone who shares wisdom and learning. Question number 13. What was the theme of World Teachers' Day 2023? Correct answer is Education Transformation Begins with Teachers. The 2023 theme highlights teachers as key to improving education. Question number 14. Which guru in the Mahabharata taught both Duryodhan and Yudhishthir? Correct answer is Dronacharya. He taught both the Pandavas and Kauravas in the Mahabharata. Question number 15. What is the ideal teacher-student relationship called in Indian tradition? Correct answer is Guru Shishya tradition, a sacred bond between teacher and student in Indian culture. Question number 16. Which famous guru in Indian mythology is known for teaching archery? Correct answer is Dronacharya. He is famous for teaching archery and warfare to princes. Question number 17. Who founded Nalanda University? Correct answer is Kumar Gupta I, a Gupta emperor, who founded Nalanda University, a center of learning. Question number 18. What is the best way to show respect to a teacher in Indian culture? Correct answer is Namaste, a respectful greeting that shows honor and gratitude to teachers. Question number 19. Which Indian teacher is famous for mathematics and astronomy? Correct answer is Aryabhatta, a brilliant mathematician and astronomer from ancient India. Question number 20. Which Indian teacher contributed to economics and political science? Correct answer is Kautilya, also known as Chanakya. He wrote the Arthashastra on economics and politics. Question number 21. Which Indian teacher is known for yoga and spiritual education? Correct answer is Swami Vivekananda, a spiritual leader who taught yoga, philosophy and self-realization. Question number 22. What type of song is presented on Teachers' Day? Correct answer is Guru Vandana, a devotional song that praises and honors teachers. Question number 23. What kind of memento is given on Teachers' Day? Correct answer is certificate, a simple and meaningful way to recognize a teacher's contribution. Question number 24. What is the purpose of Teachers' Day? Correct answer is to honor teachers. Teachers' Day is a celebration of the people who guide and inspire us. Question number 25. On which date is Grandparents' Day celebrated? Correct answer is September 7th, celebrated in India to appreciate the love and wisdom of grandparents. Question number 26. In which country did Grandparents' Day originate? Correct answer is USA. Grandparents' Day began in the United States to honor older generations. Question number 27. What is taught to children on Grandparents' Day? Correct answer is respect for elders. Children learn to value the experience and care of grandparents. Question number 28. When is Grandparents' Day celebrated in the USA? Correct answer is first Sunday of September. Grandparents' Day is celebrated on the first Sunday in September after Labor Day each year. Question number 29. Who is credited with establishing National Grandparents' Day in the USA? Correct answer is Marion McQuaid. She worked to establish Grandparents' Day to recognize their role in families. Question number 30. Which flower is traditionally associated with Grandparents' Day? Correct answer is forget-me-not, a flower that symbolizes remembrance and love, perfect for grandparents.